Could it be? All right. Oh man, I can't wait to like pose him, put him in a detox, and Grogu, what are you doing out here? What do you mean? This is my Mando. What do you mean all Mandos are your Mandos? You don't get all the Mandos. What do you mean die? Grogu, what are you talking about? Grogu, why are you laughing? Alright guys, and welcome to SortaOkay Reviews, where every fandom is welcome. I am Nathan Bedard. I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit we did in the beginning. We thought it'd be kind of fun, and it was pretty fun. But today, I've got the Hot Toys Mandalorian and the Child, or aka Grogu, Deluxe. And that little bastard killed me, as you can see in the beginning. But this one does have the Mandalorian in the Beskar armor along with the Child. And one great thing about this, and why it's the deluxe version, is it comes with the pod, as you can see from the image right there. But pretty simple Hot Toys style box for Star Wars at least. But in case you were just wondering what it looked like, there you go. After this, I'm just going to show you what it looks like in the box, and then we'll give you an overview of the figure itself. I'm excited. I hope you guys are ready.
Never met a real Mandalorian. Heard stories. I know you're good at killing.
Grogu?
Yes.
That's who you belong with. He's one of your kind.
Alright guys, here is Mando himself, the Mandalorian Deluxe, that is to say. So one thing that really makes it deluxe, like I said, is the pod. And I feel like you kind of need to, if you're going to go with the deluxe, like you have to go with the deluxe. Because like this pod, like that's where Baby Yoda stays. And it's super cool. You can even put the cover over it so you can make it look like he's hiding if he's in like if you put him in like an action sequence. But here are all the accessories. He comes with a whole bunch of stuff. You could really have fun with this. I could see myself for a couple of hours doing different flight poses, action poses, all kinds of stuff. And he doesn't have any like leathery material too much, so you can pose him around, have some fun, and not have to worry about him breaking. But he's a really cool figure. A lot of options with him, and I think if you're a Mandalorian fan and you want one in your collection, I think that this is definitely a good way to go, because unless I don't see his outfit changing too much, and if worse comes to worse, you could just buy some new accessories from like third party that do customs, like his staff, which I want to get. But here is the Mandalorian Deluxe with Child. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna do it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the skit. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got more Hot Toys coming, more statues coming, a lot of great stuff. Thank you so much. This is the way. Have a great day.